Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another subscription box for January. This time it's gonna be the Birchbox, and this month and the next one I will have two boxes. They look similar. When I got the boxes I thought they have nothing inside because they are so light as weight. Anyway, let's see what we have for January. As I told you before, they have a limited edition kit, a small box which includes one coupon for a 3-month subscription. So if you wanna try it, you can get that kit, and also you have 3 months of Birchbox, which is not bad at all for price. If I will find that kit, I will leave it down below in the description box. Let's pick up whatever one of them because they have the same weight. As far as I remember, Birchbox, it's $10 per month. Here is the box for this month. So purpose fuels passion. Today anything is possible. Take a beautiful chance. You are entirely up to you. And on the back here we have magic inside. So let's see what's the magic in this box. And we have here a card, as usual, with the prices for the full size of those items. Hello 2019 from Birchbox newbies. Hi to long time friends. Here is a refresher on how to make the most out of your boxes. Update your beauty profile. The more we know about your current needs, the more we can customize your boxes. Pick a sample. Each month you can choose one of our samples from our sample choice option. The rest will be based on your profile. Get 10% back in points. With the loyalty program, you get 10% back in points every time you shop full-size products. Their loyalty program, it's quite good. I got many points until now and I keep using them to buy full-size products. Review your samples. Head to birchbox.com box for your box history and review your samples there to help us learn more about what you like. Plus, get $5 in points free at your first 5 reviews. So let's see what we have in this box. So far the box is very light, and here are the samples. You barely can see them, but first thing in here, it's a black product. It's the peel off mask, full size, $29 is this one, and this one comes in 15 milliliters. About this one, avoiding your hairline and brows, apply an even layer of this mask to your T-zone after cleansing. Wait 50-20 minutes and slowly peel off to reveal fresh and revived skin. So I got this one, but I never tried it. If you try this mask, let me know how it works. So far I heard many reviews, some good reviews, some bad reviews about this mask, but I'll try myself and I'll let you know. Then we have a product from Design Me, and that is Swap Me hair treatment, full size, $24.50. Mist this treatment from your roots to your ends before styling for hair that's heat protected, smooth and straight, making it more youthful long term. So is this one right here? I believe is this one. Yes, it's a spray, and this one comes, hard to see, 5 milliliters. So a hair treatment. Then we have Lisa Watier, not so sure about that. Is Hydra Force BB cream in light, medium, full size, $40. So is this sample right here. I never heard about this one before. Comes with 7 milliliters, and of course the product was open and it's all over. Anyway, I have to clean this one in order to try it. So is this guy right here, and this is $40 in a full size. This BB cream hydrates, as light coverage, and straightens your skin moisture barrier thanks to the brand's signature algae weather resilient seaweed. So we'll see about this one. I have cream all over, so let me leave that one away. Then we have Manakadar Cosmetics Renewing Lip Oil in Peony, full size, $19. So is this one right here. This hydrating lip treatment provides moisture and a pop of color, nourishing dry chapped lips while imparting a sheer subtle wash of pink. So it does has a little bit tint. And the last product in here, it's from Model Co, Baked Highlighter, and this one is 25 in full size. Get the warm glow you crave when you sweep this sheer highlighter onto the high points of your face. Try also applying to your eyelids for a natural radiant eyeshadow look. So is this one right here, quite tiny. And let's see the color of this one. And looks like the BB cream got in everything. So here is the size of this one. And here is the highlighter. Looks like an ombre with gold and white. That's a pretty color. I'm not sure if you can see it, but so far I like the fact that it's more a light color that you can wear even during the day. So we'll try this one. So far my favorite product from the box before trying them, of course, is this highlighter. I will try the BB cream. Right now I'm using lots of BB creams during the day. At least that's all I'm able to apply in the morning. So we'll see about this one. So far I like the color for the BB cream. We'll see how it looks on the face. So this is all in the first box, 5 products: a highlighter, a peel-off mask, a hair treatment in a size that whatever, cannot say much, but that's just my opinion. We have a lip oil, and that's kind of all for the first box. So far not very excited about this box. And let's see what we have in the second one. The box is the same as packaging. Comes with the same card, and I see in here a couple of repeats, and one of them is the hair treatment, the Fab Me that I just told you about. It's Decide Me Fab Me hair treatment, which is $24.50 as full size. Also we have the same black mask in here, the peeling mask. And we have 3 products that are different than in the other box, and one of them is the MAC in Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash, which is this one. This one in full size is $24. Want lashes that are as dimensional as you are? Swipe on this clump-free carbon black mascara that lengthens, conditions, and defines every lash. Also we have in here from Boutique Beauty, this is blush serum, full size, it's $16. This lightweight water-based blush gives your cheeks a healthy flush while nourishing your skin with apricot seed and vitamin E oil. Sounds good. We'll see about this one. And we have the last product, which is from Air Repair in 3 milliliters, and this one is Super Hydrating Eye Cream, full size, $24.50. This potent cream reduces puffiness, hydrates skin, smooths out fine lines, and suits your under eye area for a brighter, wide awake look in seconds. So is this eye cream right here. That's kind of all in the second box. I don't know which one is better. I think the second box is better than the first one, but that's just my opinion. Sizes are similar with that one. Probably it's not the best box that I got from them, the best samples, but this is for this month, so we'll wait to see what we're gonna have in February. So that's kind of all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys very soon. In the meantime, you have an amazing day. Bye bye.